Hi guys, what's happening? We're here at beautiful Thredbo, got Campbell on the lift. We're going up now to do the course preview for the Flow Motion Cup, presented by Boost Mobile. We'll show you what you're working with for Cannonball in a couple weeks time. Peace! Yeah. Alright viewers, doing the course preview for the Cannonball Flow Motion Cup, presented by Boost Mobile. Oh, they fixed up these top corners, got a few jumps. You can hook out, you carry plenty of speed through here. Set up. Hold your speed out. Pedal out here. Woo! Alright, so I'm gonna have some friends jump on the train as we go down. We got Ol coming on, first rider. Gonna show us where to go. A few new sections here that smoothed out. Going into there. Goes around the rough up inside. Oh, sets up wide. Oh, pulls the gap. Another table. They just fixed this corner up as well. Oh, grippy. Pump, pump, pump. Gonna be a lot of sprints out all these corners. You're gonna make sure your breathing wants to be good. Oh, it goes off the rock. Hadn't seen that before. I think we're gonna have Ollie check out. We'll have Campbell go on. New rider! Down from the trail bike. Triple down here. Then you can pull. Toss it inside. Whew. Yeah, pull it. Whoa! He comes flying down here. Off the inside, jump. Stuff it high. Woo! Dragging feet. On the pedals again. Manual. Woo! Hook that corner. Triple again. Double. Little nose bonk. Good style. They fix this corner up so you get way better exit. Really get the pedals on. Jump. Jump. We're going to breathe through here. Gonna be pretty tired by this point. Make sure you do deep breaths. Stay smooth. Think about your braking points. Carry good momentum. You've got long straights. You want to really pump, hold momentum. Fun little gaps when you can. Pump and get low as well. If you can tough as much as you can through here, if you can't pedal, get out of the wind. And then sprint, get the triple or the double. Come flying down here. So one of my favourite sections coming up here. Hold steady. Hook down here. Manual. Manual. On the corners. And we've got our last rider. I gotta catch talent. It's not bad training, you gotta kind of catch up, everyone's fresh. I'm cool. Like Callum now. These last corners, you're gonna be pretty wrecked. Breathing hard. Gotta make sure you get those exits good. Good braking points. Oh, hear me breathing now. Really get the good pumps in, they're like strong pedals. A few manuals just to mix it up. Come out here, cross over downhill track. Oh, home stretch. Bit of a flat pedal. You're gonna be feeling here in a race run after a full run. Whew. Fun turns. Right here you can start to taste the beer that you're about to drink after you've done a full run. And just like that, she's done. Slow motion track preview presented by Boots at Cannonball in a couple weeks time. Yeah, doing